Hey, what's up YouTube? Greg here. Today might be one of the most exciting days for me related to cars. As you can see, I have a bunch of boxes, and reason being I ordered a crap ton of parts for my WRX, and very excited to open it all up. So here we go. Let's start with the smaller box first. Ordered everything from Define Performance, best prices, super fast shipping, and excellent customer service as always. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we got a lot of bubble peanuts. First things first, we got a Works 65 fuel pump with the install kit. There's the part number for you if you want it. NGK one-step coulter spark plugs. There's the part number. These are the plugs, I believe, for the fuel pump. Actually, they are not. They're for the fuel injectors that I bought as well. Grimsby lightweight crank pulley in red. Injector Dynamics 1000cc fuel injectors. Here's the install kit. Here are the injectors. Sweet. And that's it for the first package. It only gets more exciting. Alright, so we got my whole fuel system right here, my plugs. That's going to be able to handle the supporting mods for everything else that I have. See my beautiful feet. Alright, now look what we got here. Grimsby wastegate VF series internal wastegate bracket. Grimsby electronic boost control solenoid. Here you don't know what's inside, but it's actually a teal or tiled 38mm wastegate, external wastegate. 3-bolt external wastegate up pipe, 38 40mm, and this is 3-bolt, so it fits the Tome equal length header that I also bought. Sweet. Now for the grand finale, the biggest box that I have. Let me just put all this stuff back in here. Okay, so we got like 3 different boxes inside a box. Let's see what's in the first one. Oh yeah! Look at that. Oh my god. This thing is beautiful. And here you go, my friends. Look at the size of this intercooler. 3.3 times the volume of the stock WRX intercooler. And this thing is a lot heavier than I thought it would be. But wow, this thing is thick. Look at that. This is the size compared to my hand. Almost as wide as my palm. You got the end tanks, very nice, all welded up. Wow, this thing is nice. Beautiful. Set that aside. Alright, now that we've seen the core, we all know what's next. The piping. Okay, well the box is already open, I guess. So, sweet. And we got all the hoses, couplers, come in black. And we got all the T-bolts, clamps. More piping. This is where the blow-off valve attaches to. So, yeah. This Turbo XS front mount intercooler comes with 2 different pipes, but you only use one of them. One's for the WRX and one's for the STI. Comes with both, so if you have an STI, it works perfectly. If you don't, you can always like keep it, sell it to someone who has an STI. But yeah, well, these are all the pipes. Here's the new coolant reservoir, because the stock one is too big and it gets in the way of the pipes, so they give you this one. More pipes. It's a lot of pipes. And we have, most importantly, the safety crash bar. And the intercooler core attaches to this, and if you do get into a front end car crash, you know, this will help protect you, because a lot of intercoolers that are big enough, they will actually not use any of these, and once you get into an accident, you're toast. Engine's gone, pretty much, and you'll be lucky to, you know, have a car that you can repair. But that's pretty much it. That is everything I unboxed for you guys. Wastegate, front mount intercooler, upgraded fuel system, up pipe, everything. I have the header in another video, but that's it. Thanks guys so much, and I'll have an update video. I'm getting these pipes powder coated. I don't know what color yet, but we'll update very soon. Thanks guys.